In this video, you'll learn how to set up Cloudflare for your domain step by step, even if it's your first time using it. By the end, your domain will be connected to Cloudflare and ready to take advantage of its performance and security features. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Cloudflare website. If you already have an account, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. You'll just need an email address and a secure password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can manage all your sites. From your Cloudflare dashboard, look for the button that says Add a Site. This is usually near the top or in a prominent area, since it's one of the primary actions. Click on Add a Site to begin connecting your domain to Cloudflare. Next, Cloudflare will ask you to enter your domain name. Here, you want to type in your root domain only without any subdomains. For example, if your website is at www.example.com, you would just enter example.com. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters, and then click Continue to move to the next step. Cloudflare will now scan for existing DNS records associated with your domain. This may take a few seconds. Once the scan is complete, you'll be asked to choose a plan. You'll see several options, but for most basic websites, the free plan is more than enough to get started. Scroll all the way down the plans page until you find the free tier. It might be at the bottom of the list, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Select the free plan, then click Continue. You can always upgrade later if you need more advanced features, but starting with the free tier is a good way to learn how everything works. After selecting your plan, Cloudflare will show you a list of DNS records it found during the scan. This includes things like A records, SNAME records, and possibly MX records for email. This is an important moment because these records control where your website and services point. Open a new tab and log into your domain provider, the place where you bought your domain name. Go to the DNS or domain management section there. What you want to do is compare the DNS records shown in your domain provider with the records Cloudflare has detected. If you see any records in your domain provider that are missing in Cloudflare, you'll need to add them in Cloudflare manually. Use the same type, name, and value that you see in your domain provider. Take your time here. Accurate DNS records are crucial to keep your website and email working correctly. Once all the records match and you've confirmed everything looks correct, you're done with the basic setup inside Cloudflare. From here, you can follow Cloudflare's additional prompts to update your name servers at your domain provider if required, and then wait for the changes to propagate. That's all it takes to set up Cloudflare for your domain. Connect your DNS records and get ready to benefit from its performance and protection features.